And hello, class. Many of you ask me to let you sign up for a specific class meeting so you could maybe be with somebody, that you'd like to be with. So here is the quick tutorial on how to sign up for a class meeting. You will see this, and it looks just like this. I can only have 11 people in each class meeting. One's at 10 o'clock. One's at 10:30, and I'll have the links right here. They're live when they turn blue. And all you do is type your name right here or type your name right here, and you can see that both Emery and Jonathan are thinking about maybe being on the 10:30 link. So that's all you have to do. If you have any problems, just message me, and that's how you sign up for a class meeting. Our next one is Friday on May Day, May 1st. See you then.